Here we are, day 4, packing up all of our sleeping and camping equipment for the last time, as for the rest of the trip we will be hanging out at a hostel, which, most importantly of all, had a shower. Day 4 started much like day 3, in that it was just gorgeous weather. However, it would not end like day 3, in that there would be rain, there would be sheared off bolts, and we'll get to that. On with the show.
Oh shit! Look at this guy right here.
It was at this stop here where I would hear a flapping behind me and to the right. I didn't assess really what was going on until we got to Lake City, but turns out I broke something. Even though I was severely pissed off because I had just broken something, the ride down to Lake City was quite beautiful and fun. Assessment done, and 2 completely sheared off bolts and 2 bolts that were pretty bent to shit. 1 drill bit, an extractor set, and a corded drill later. We would have to wait till the hostel to extract 2 of the sheared off bolts. Good times. Not to mention the 1 yellow ratchet strap we used to hold it all together, so that way we could hopefully make it to the hostel. Now, in order to get to the hostel, we would end up taking the alternate route, which was all paved roads due to, the jiggly back behind me. However, being pavement, this was actually a pretty beautiful ride. And yes, all of this was in the same day, even though it's clear blue sky and then rain later.
That's crazy. I bet he's putting dynamite up enough.
Made it back to the hostel just as the rain was starting to come down, so no pictures except for this one. Join us next time when the T7 loses a shit ton of weight, and I find out how exciting this motorcycle actually is.
It looks like clay.
Oh, yeah.
Slippery.
It's gonna be really fucking slippery.